How to change your name on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on Facebook Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are here, simply tap on the option labeled as settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on see more in account center. And now here simply tap profile and then select your profile. And here in the new interface simply tap on name. And now here you can edit your first, middle and last name as needed. And you also need to note down that you can change your name once in every 60 days. So make sure that it's correct before saving. And once you have made all your changes, simply tap on review change and your new name will be updated in Messenger. And that's it. Now you know how to change your name on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.